Hi, Professor. This is Raymond Aleman, current student at GCU. This is regarding an assignment for ITT Tech 210. In particular, now is the time to shine even better. So, for this part of the video, what challenges I faced with the assembly language was the fact that it's very complex and difficult to understand. So, there's a lot of trial and error. The syntax is difficult to remember, and at times I have to keep on trying until the assemble program gets completed. Now, one thing that I did notice is that it needs more size or memory for the computer to run long programs such as this one. Another disadvantages that I encountered doing the assembly language program is that it takes a lot of time and effort. And again, it goes back to trial and error. And I think if I'm able to remember the syntax, then the difficulty level would be more easier to comprehend.